Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a blacksmith. Let's make an axe. As some of you may have guessed correctly, I made some tooling for the power hammer the other day where I made the tapered single set tapered block and I also made a drift and I was to make some axes. And fortunately, well, what you're not going to see is the two axes that I mullered. I wanted to make a double bit axe. Stay there. So I wanted to make a double bit axe, but instead of a double bit axe, I made a wing nut and I made some sort of weird Saxon looking thing. I wasn't very happy with these, so I called it a day, deleted the footage for the videos. Well, not that it was very good, I made some mistakes on that video to be honest. And I came in today and basically made this. You'll also notice I may have tidied my workshop ever so slightly. So anyway, watch the video, hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the end. When I say gently, yep, yep, nice, wait, yep, 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 yep. Nope. 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 Yep. 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 Yep.
There's no space in that last shot.
Yep. And again. Yep. 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 Yep.
So he's gone from there to there. Less more than 5 inch
Thanks guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that video. I really enjoyed making it for you. This came out okay. There's some problems. Oh god, I've left everything. So I think the first issue I had is normally I run quite a thin slitter, and this isn't as thin. I'm not saying anyone's done anything wrong. I've copied wrong. Is it Black Bear Forge? I think he uses quite a fat slitter to do his eyes, and I thought, well, I was copying him. I was having some trouble doing these using my hammer eye punch, and I thought I'd make one a slitter, and I made a slitter, and it's a bit fat for me. So that's the first thing, because the eye walked whilst I was punching the hole, and also the stock that I had, I pretty much didn't have it square to start with in the first place, which is a problem. So I've kind of got a funny eye on here, which I'm not happy with, and there's also a little bit of a pinch here, which I'm not happy with either. But I will have shown you that hopefully. And the eye at the back here isn't great, but it's functional. I think it's much thinner than the last axe that I made, and it's got a nice shape, I think. But you guys will be able to let me know. Anyone who knows anything about making axes, let me know and tell me what you think, because I really would like the feedback for this video. This is something I'd like to get into, but this is something that I'm quite proud of. It's not the best piece that I've ever made, but I know when I was making hammers, it took me a long time to be able to make something that I was happy with, because it takes practice. You have to learn how to do these things. Yeah, so let me know in the comments what you thought of the axe and where you thought I could improve. I'm not someone that's really into doing all this sort of grinding and messing around. I really just like the forging side of stuff. I don't mind doing a bit of grinding, and obviously function comes with grinding. Yeah, I could have done a better job of this, I think. And I will be making another axe, but I am going to handle this, and I am going to sharpen it up, and I'm going to show you guys working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to propose is, at some point next week there'll be a video where I announce the winner. Well, I won't announce the winner, the video will come out, I'll say the winner has been picked for this hammer. This is the hammer for Cyrus. Well, it's not for Cyrus, it was the video where I made the kit for Cyrus. So if you want to win this hammer, you can go and check out the video, there'll be a link at the end, and I'll be rehandling this. I'll also be handling Tim from Big Dog Forge's hammer, and what else will I be doing in the video? I'll also be handling some other hammers, so there'll be some nice stuff going on in a video where loads of stuff will get finished off. I think that's everything, so thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you, yeah, it's been a great day really. I got lots of stuff done. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, remember, ring that bell for notifications, and also set your notifications so that you can get as much, so you get updates and information about all the videos I make. YouTube has made some changes. Apparently you need to tell them what you want. Yes, that's everything. Drop your comments down below. Tell me what you thought I could have done better. Tell me what you thought of this axe. Tell me if you think it's even a good axe. And then, I'm not so happy with this. But practice makes perfect, doesn't it? Anyway, yes, that's everything. So thank you for joining me. I will leave some videos. This is the Cyrus one where you can win this hammer. This will be a video from back in the day where I made an axe before, where I think I've improved for sure. But have I improved that much? I wouldn't know. I will leave a link here to my Patreon. It's a great way to support the channel. Go and check that out. And down here is a link to subscribers again. So click that too. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.